Good morning, myself Miss Jivika Gaikwad.
Myself Miss Svara Gadhe.
Myself Miss Harshada Karle.
Myself Miss Kadambari Kare.
Myself, Master Vihan Vilaite.
From Octobot Group of Auxilium Convent High School are here with the next generational idea. The name of our project is Debris Navigator System, which is an innovative robotic model developed to help in times of rescue operations during natural disasters such as earthquakes, lightning, collapsed structures, landscapes. Its primary function is to navigate through hazardous debris and collect vital environmental data and then transmit this data and information to the rescue teams. By doing this, we can reduce the risk of human life and enhance efficiency, safety, and speed of the project.
In the heart of the system lies the Arduino Uno microcontroller, which acts as the central processing unit of the robot. Operating at a speed of 16 megahertz, it efficiently manages the data from the various sensors and sends it to the rescue teams.
Sensor suit and environmental awareness to effectively assess its surrounding, the robot is equipped with a comprehensive arrays of sensors. This include the ultrasonic and infrared sensors for detecting various types of obstacles, PIR sensor for detecting human motion, and the MQ135 gas sensor for detecting various types of toxic gases such as methane, smoke, and carbon monoxide. Additionally, the flame sensor alerts the rescuers to the presence of flame.
The robot transmits the collected data with the help of HC05 Bluetooth module, which enables wireless communication with the external devices such as smartphones or computers. Its applications include locating survivors, detecting hazardous gases, detect fire alarms, etc. Thus, debris navigation system plays a vital role in shaping the modern rescue system. Now, I request Master Vihan Vilaite to demonstrate the model.
Good morning. You all must be knowing that during any natural or man-made calamity, it is difficult for the survivors to enter the area and see what's happening. At that places the robot can go. The robot is connected to the mobile phone with the help of HC05 Bluetooth module connected to the brain of the robot, that is Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno works at 16 megahertz clock speed. That is, it can perform 16 million calculations per second. The robot works with the help of mobile phone and it can go anywhere. Where humans cannot go. This robot is paired with various type of sensors. Here we have the LDR sensor. During times like if it enters any kind of buildings or factory where light must have burnt off, at that times the robot senses the darkness and automatically the light starts. Then here we have the flame sensor. It detects fire, giving an idea to the rescuer sitting outside that there is fire inside and we have to extinguish it. Next, we have the motion sensors, also called as proximity sensors. Here we have ultrasonic sensor, IR sensor, and PIR sensor. Ultrasonic sensor works on the principle of transferring and receiving. Ultrasonic sensor continuously transfers ultrasonic sound waves which hit the object and bounces back. It is calculated with the help of formula speed of sound into time required for bouncing back divided by 2. The values of this sensor are displayed on the screen. When any object comes near the robot, here you can see the readings goes on decreasing. 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Next we have the IR sensor which detects obstacle detected. Next we have the PIR sensor which detects human motion with the help of human body heat. Next we have the environmental nodes giving an idea to the rescuers about the environment of the prone area. Here we have the MQ135 smoke sensor. It detects harmful gases like CO2, methane and smoke, giving an idea to the rescuers that there is development of harmful gas and we require oxygen tanks. The normal readings of the sensors are 130 to 127. The readings have reached 138 to 139, which means that there is formation of harmful gas. Here we have the DHT11 temperature sensor giving an idea about the live temperature of the prone area. All the visuals of the robot will be shown on the mobile phone. Thank you.